So here we have a pH soil test kit. They're easily available from your hardware or from your livestock supplier. And this testing kit will do up to 100 soil tests. There is a use by date on it. So let's open up the pack and we will find 2 bottles, a little spoon, and a white palette, and also a colour chart. And we're going to determine the colour of the soil when we do this test, and then compare the colour of the soil to the colour chart, and that will determine the soil pH. So what we're aiming for is to get it in the green area here. So I've got some soil here that I took from my garden, and it's just soil without any organic matter, because we don't want any organic matter, because we're just testing the actual soil, or the cation part of our soil. So now we'll just wet it down with a few drops of this liquid and work it in. Okay, that's wet enough. Oh, it's going green already. I like that. So now we just puff some of the powder on top, and it'll take up to a minute for the true colour to come through. And it's best to determine the correct colour by looking at it in full sunlight and not under artificial light. So it's going somewhat in the darker green range. I won't show it to you outside in the sun because that's a little bit awkward when filming, but you can see the colour is becoming more like, getting into the pH neutral, even into alkaline. It's a greenish purpley colour here. So that's not too bad. If it's just into the acidic range of 7 and a little bit below, that is your optimum for nutrient uptake. So you can deduct that I've got a very sweet soil, and there's no need to add any more calcium, as in dolomite, gypsum or lime.